You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words. Many get confused by them, but let's go through the correct pronunciations. Theory, theory. Some skip the sound and say theory, alright? Especially American English pronunciation, but generally theory. The bottom word, which is the adjective, theoretical, theoretical, theoretical. Now the Americans say it as theoretical with a flap T. That sounds like a D, theoretical. So let's break down and listen carefully to the pronunciations one last time. Theory, theoretical. Did you get this? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.